many parents worried about the fact that their child hates writing. They sit at the table staring at the blank page, refusing to write. Maybe you've tried everything from fun writing prompts, encouragement, even bribery, but nothing seems to work. And maybe you started to wonder if your child will never improve. But here's what I've learnt after nearly 2 decades as a journalist and after a decade of having tutored literally hundreds of students through Geek School Tutoring. A child who dislikes writing today won't necessarily struggle forever. Honestly, it's the truth. So the key is understanding why they resist and then using the right approach to help them build confidence. In this video, I'll share 4 powerful strategies to help your child overcome their resistance to writing and develop strong writing skills for their ever increasingly competitive 11+. So if your child is preparing for the 11+ exams, whether it's for grammar schools or independent schools, follow these writing strategies and see your child completely transform. Tip number 1. Enjoyment and skill don't always come together. So maybe your child is one of the many children who struggle with writing because they basically just find it difficult or frustrating. But that doesn't mean they can't improve their writing. The key is to just help them feel successful. Tip number 2. Start storytelling before writing. This is something that many parents, I'd say most parents, don't even think about doing. If your child dislikes writing, let them talk about their stories first. Ask them to tell a story out loud, maybe even act it out, or use pictures to guide them in their thinking. This way, writing will feel a lot less intimidating when they've actually built a strong story idea. So the ideas are well formed, and now all they need to do is to put that on paper. So before we carry on with this amazing video, please remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so that you will get notified every time a new Geek School video goes up. Enjoy! Tip number 3, make writing feel easy and rewarding. If your child only associates writing with hard work, they'll resist it, of course. So there's so many other fun things to do, right? TikTok, YouTube, Roblox. Why would they want to do the hard work of writing? So instead, you need to focus on something quick, some enjoyable writing tasks like just silly stories, some fun prompts, or writing about their interests. It's for this reason that we have a whole range of writing prompts in the Geek School shop. Whether your child is into sports, loves animals, likes gaming, likes fantasy, is into sort of the Harry Potter style books and so on. We have writing prompts with pictures, some with colouring in pages and so on, all because I know that children like to express their creativity in different ways, and having that mix can actually get them to even open the book to begin with, and then eventually it will get them to write. Tip number 4, confidence grows through small wins. You need to encourage your child to write without worrying about every single minute mistake, and then praise their creativity rather than just their correctness, rather than just criticizing their handwriting, their spelling, etc. And then over time, their skills will improve naturally. So, what's the biggest challenge your child faces with their writing? Tell me in the comments. And if you are a young person watching this, tell me what your writing challenges are in the comments. So, Back to parents and young people watching this. You need to try to make writing a daily habit and in a fun way. So you could keep a story journal, story diary, and you can write about your favorite characters. You can even turn that into a short adventure, or you could just write what's happened in your day at school or in your day during the holidays, something like that, basically. And that will get you into a place where the creative juices are flowing. It's easier to express yourself in words. Now, if you need a structured approach, structured support to help your child prepare for the 11 plus exams, then our creative writing crash course is the perfect course for your child. Visit 11plusessay.co.uk for more information. Now, if this has helped you, please remember to like and follow for more 11 plus tips. I will see you in the next video.